Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best earbuds from Aliexpress. For this year, I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and bull, to see the price, sell, and review. If you can buy this product, click the link below. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to get the latest technology reviews. In at number 5, the best earbuds is Ausdom TW01 Bluetooth earbud. Today I would like to talk about budget earbuds called Ausdom TW01. Ausdom got a good battery life thanks to 50 mAh headphone earbuds and 600 mAh charging box, a volume level of 90 decibels, a resistance of 12 ohm, and a Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connection. Recently this earbud's price is $17.71. About 5,289 people reviewed this earbuds, more than 10,881 people ordered this earbuds. Overall I have been highly impressed with the build, volume level and comfort wearing, especially considering its budget price. This earbud have some standard facilities are, with the experienced superior sound quality of the composite diaphragm material, and packed in the latest Bluetooth 5.0, 3D stereo hi-fi sound and fast and stable transmission speed up to 33 feet away. This wireless earbuds with one multifunction button, you can play, pause, previous, next track and answer hang-up phone calls. With latest technology chips and the special signal antenna design, Ausdom wireless headphones provide enhanced powerful bass sound with superb musical detail and more clear voice talk, enjoyable 3D stereo, even supports Siri voice assistant. Ausdom Bluetooth headphones can maintain 5-hour playtime once been fully charged, and the charging case can charge the earphones additional 3 times, fully 20-hour playtime keeping you enjoy music for all days. Low-cost wireless earbuds. Ausdom received a good and surround sound as for its price. Even the quality of the connection is very stable and there are no jerks and interruptions. In at number 4, the best earbuds is NILLKIN True Wireless Earbuds. NILLKIN is a true wireless earphones headset, almost like Apple's AirPods, but it fits perfectly into my budget. But what exactly hooked me and why these headphones are worthy of your attention in a similar situation? In this earbuds you can get 1500 mAh charging case, 3 pairs of ear tips, micro USB charging cable, user manual. Recently this earbuds price is $29.99. About 213 people reviewed this earbuds, more than 721 people ordered this earbuds. Overall I have been highly impressed with the build, volume level and comfort wearing, especially considering its budget price. In this earbuds there are some standard packaging are, adopt global professional Realtek chipset, true wireless design, with latest Bluetooth 5.0, NILLKIN wireless earbuds own fast and stable transmission without tangling. Pick up 2 earphones from the charging box, they will connect each other automatically, then only one step easily enter mobile phone Bluetooth setting to pair the earbuds. Built-in powerful bass and high-quality speaker driver makes it different from other brands. This wireless earbuds provide hi-fi stereo sound at both music and phone calls. Compact and lightweight magnetic charging case for you to carry the earbuds around 3 hours playtime per charge and 24 hours in total. The earbuds strive to keep you company longer. In this earbuds you can get 1500 mAh charging case, 3 pairs of ear tips, micro USB charging cable, user manual. This earbuds received a good and surround sound as for its price. Even the quality of the connection is very stable and there are no jerks and interruptions. In at number 3, the best earbuds is Soundpeats True Wireless Earbuds. Today I would like to talk about budget earbuds called Soundpeats earbuds, got a good battery life up to 36 hours and 600 mAh capacity charging box, a volume level of 102 decibels, 142 mm speaker, and a Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connection. Recently this earbuds price is $38.64. Overall I have been highly impressed with the build, volume level and comfort wearing, especially considering its budget price. Soundpeats have some outstanding facilities such as adopt global professional Realtek chipset and biological diaphragm to enhance the sound. True capsule Bluetooth earbuds brings you excellent listening experience with powerful bass. Automatically power on after taking out of charging case and turn off once placing back into the charging case. You can activate the voice assistants easily by double pressing the multifunction button. This earbuds designed with latest Bluetooth 5.0, improved high-quality mic for both earbuds, bring a better call performance. 4 hours working time per charge for the earbuds, about 5 times full charge by the charging case, 24 hours playtime in total. Kindly note that only the right earbud can use in mono mode if you prefer. Ergonomic design and 3 size of earbuds provide comfortable fit. As long as your device is with Bluetooth version above 4.0, you can use it well with true capsule Bluetooth earphones. In at number 2, the best earbud is Koen KY02 Bluetooth earbuds. If you're looking for a good truly wireless earbuds, you should truly check out Koen KY02 because it's cheaper and better, in my opinion. Koen got up to 6-hour battery life on one charge and more than 36 hours battery life with charging box and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connection. Recently this earbuds price is $39.99. About 143 people reviewed this earbuds, more than 216 people ordered this earbuds. So, I count on that in this charge, this earbuds may be very appropriate and powerful. Koen KY02 have some standard facilities such as Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless earbuds compatible with Apple or Android cell phones, ensures ultra-fast pairing. You can receive data and instructions accurately and also reduces call and music dropouts. Up to 6 hours of playtime with single charge and an additional 30 hours with the included portable charging case. The magnetized charging case will hold wireless earphones in place automatically, protects and recharges wireless earbuds. However, provide clearly superior sound with powerful deep bass. The sound quality of wireless headphones is as excellent as CD built-in microphone for the stereo, true wireless calls, offering incredible clarity of sound, made conversations as great as music. This earbuds specially made for workout sweat and weather-resistant earbuds are made with precision-designed casing to protect splash-proof when you're at the gym or outside running. So, this earbuds is easy to control with tap or press touch panel of sports wireless earphones, and this earbuds has dual ear mode and single ear mode are available. Earbuds control function allows hands-free calls, media playback, activate voice assistant and so on. In at number 1, the best edition earphone is Wizard TP1's Bluetooth earbuds. The housings of the Wizard TP1 have an hybrid design between and in-ear headphones. The AirPods resemblance can be seen by the extending bottom section of the earpieces, while the fit, nozzles and placement is exactly like a classic in-ear headphone. This earbuds have technical specifications and astonishing 20 to 25,000 Hz frequency response range, IPX5 waterproof, 450 mAh battery. Recently this earbuds price is $55.30. So, I count on that in this charge, this earbuds may be very appropriate. Wizard have some outstanding facilities are, Wizard TP1 adopts 10mm strong magnetism dynamic speaker with more than 1 Tesla magnetic density, which significantly improves the conversion rate of electrical energy to sound. Upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 technology delivers steady connection without call and music dropouts. Never worry about losing your connection again while walking. Simply take it out of the case and pairing without messy tricks. Reconnect to your cell phone automatically after initial pairing. The seamless touch control function also facilitate the operation. Easy and sensitive to touch, all functions are combined to one touch, such as answer the call, skip music etc. It comes with a built-in battery of 450 mAh charging case. With this case, the earphones can play up to 20 hours, 100 hours standby time. The IPX5 sweatproof design also ensures you to enjoy free sports, no longer worry about that water and sweat will damage it. So, the Wizard TP1s are very good true wireless earphones with premium looks, very responsive touch controls that make it a pleasure to use, and a friendly price. I request you, don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video.